Afternoon, friends. In this particular presentation of mine, now I would like to share the tools or the softwares that are being used for data mining with help of machine learning. So you will see that some of them are free sources and some of them are paid ones, which means they are proprietary ones and you can purchase and you can utilize them. Now, for me, I use both of them. Reason, for example, in free sources, you have got R software. If you know a little bit of programming, you can go ahead and you can do very good things over here also. However, I'll be focusing on the statistical part of it. Therefore, programming, I'm not going to enter at all. So you have got R Studios, then Python, Orange, RapidMiner, 9. Now, these are just a few free and open sources. Now, as in further, I would be moving ahead with the understanding or introduction about the concept, and when the analysis part for the data mining comes in, I would be introducing more and more sources. So these are some of them. My favorites are definitely R and Python. RapidMiner, definitely yes, it's a very user friendly, again, get very good visualizations. I mean, even R also is fantastic. Python also, which I'll be sharing it very soon in my next playlist, and you would see how data mining is taking place over there. Similarly, RapidMiner, I like it because I can do a lot of qualitative as well as quantitative analysis in it. 9 gives you the leverage for, again, good, I would say, visualizations for your codings, each and everything. So, if you are keen about 9, we can go ahead with that also. Now, coming to the paid sources, I mean, I have gone crazy, I would say, for example, with Excel Start. Now, there are so many tools which are available over there for me that I can really literally go ahead and I can get wonderful. This is an add-on. Again, there is a complete different playlist for Excel Stat, and I'll be showcasing to you even there also how many things are available as an add-on to your Excel sheet and what all things you can do apart from the general part of it, and where we have reached in terms of qualitative or quantitative analysis. Then another one which I really like it is Qualtrics Stats IQ Suite. This gives you the leverage for statistics. It is giving you for text mining. Voice also is there, and sound. Voice and sound, both of them are different over here. And then you have got the predictive also. So again, this is one more suite which is very user friendly, and you will see the way it works out over there. RapidMiner, as I said, yes, I would be showcasing to you. MaxQDA, again, one of my favorite one, and we would be showcasing, and I would be showing to you as to how to proceed further, not only with the data mining, however, even the further things also, if you would like to use, you can definitely go ahead with MaxQDA, and we will see how different they are and how to take care of it. And Excel is one more which we will see how to take care of it. Now, I forgot that there is another playlist of mine wherein I am focusing on another software which is called as Veka, and you can have a look at it and you can see how it is also being used. I have, I think, 4 videos as of now. However, going further, I would be uploading some more, and you can see certain things which are being taken care over there, and it is absolutely free again. Now, apart from these paid sources which I've just mentioned, I have got SPSS Modeler. I think Neeraj sir has taken care of it in his video, so you can have a look at it. Similarly, I have got IBM Cognos, which is a different one. SAS, I'm not going to lay my hands on it because already I'm occupied with the other ones and I'm already addicted to them, so I don't want to use SAS now. Some of the scholars or the faculty members who are interested to lay their hands on, I mean, if they are coming from commerce, finance and economics, you can definitely try your hand on SAS also. Teradata is one more area, Board and Dundas. Now, similarly, there are, I don't know how many, 25, 26 I have seen which are their paid sources, so I haven't yet laid my hands on it, so I'm not going to talk to them. However, I have done work with Excel Stat, Qualtrics Stats IQ, definitely yes, and you can see the visualizations and how user friendly it is. Xplenty is also very good, RapidMiner, MaxQDA. So these are, and even IBM Cognos. Now these are 5 or 6 paid sources which I have purchased, and I have been working on these with respect to data mining. And maybe once I introduce, I can showcase to you, do the comparisons as to, though the output will be the same thing, however the steps, number 1, number 2, the visualizations, number 3, the way they are going to talk about data more is the differences between these sources. And that's why they have launched in the market, and right now there's so much of data in different formats which is available, and some of these things can be taken care of. So I'm going to stop here with the introduction about the paid sources, and let me enter into the domain of data mining and algorithms, and you will see how many varieties of algorithms are present, especially for the data mining, and that also through machine learning. So catch me up again with my next video. Till then, cheers, take care, bye.